For tori for today, we go dey look on top Lassa fever. Governor Obaseki don tell local council dem say make dem put body put for environmental sanitation as the rural specialist hospital don join body put for the new technology breakthrough on top how to stop the Lassa fever katakata. We state governor Godwin Obaseki e don tell the chairman of we local government for we state say make dem join body put for environmental sanitation to take join the work wey the people wey dey on top how to stop Lassa fever wey dey work on top for we state. Crucial Saige, the one wey be say na him be the special adviser on top media and communication strategy, na him talk this one for we ogbonge governor. He talk say we government don start campaign to take sensitize the public dem on top how to stop the spread of this Lassa fever for Edo State. He come talk say we state government don mobilize many relevant health agencies, the one wey be say dem dey work with the delegation for Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) and World Health Organization on top how to reduce Lassa fever for we state. We state government don ready gidigba to flush Lassa fever katakata comot for we state. Na im make am dey call on top all the local council chairman dem and say make dem join body as e be say the scientists wey dey work on top this work for rural specialists they don do better success unto say they don go find out wetin dey cause the Lassa fever and how to drive am comot for we state. The chief medical director for rural specialist hospital, Professor Silvanus Okogbeni, na im come still praise im team for the success wey they don reach on top this Lassa fever matter, and na im come still talk say dem ready to throw away body put with any other agency, any other health body wey ready put to take flush this Lassa fever comot as e be say Edo State na one of the states wey be say e dey wipe out how the katakata of Lassa fever go take comot for we state. Now here we see the tori reach on top the plans of the government to take drive Lassa fever comot for Edo State, and this story now on top tori for today for T Live Media. Now we take bring this one come give una.